In this video, I will show you how to create animated GIF in Illustrator. We begin in an Adobe Illustrator document, and as you can see, I already have all the objects inserted that are going to be part of the animation. The very first thing we need to do is create as many artboards as objects we have for the animation. In my case, since I have 8 objects, I need to create 8 artboards. And it is extremely important that each artboard has a size slightly larger than the size of our object. To do this, we go to the top menu of our page, and among all the available options, we click on Window. Now we click on Toolbars and choose the basic one so that it becomes visible on the left side. After that, we select the artboard tool, and from each one of the sides we are going to drag inward so that the artboard ends up having a size that is a little bit larger than the bird itself. Once this is done, in the upper part of the page, we are going to create 7 more artboards. So we click on this icon 7 times until we have a total of 8 artboards, and as you can see, they are added with exactly the same size. Next, on the left toolbar, we click on the regular selection tool, and we begin placing each object onto its own artboard. After doing that, it is extremely important that all the objects are centered in their corresponding artboard. To achieve this, we click on the first object, and in the top bar of the page, we click on this icon, which is the one for horizontal alignment. And then we click on this other icon, which is the one for vertical alignment. Now we click on the second object and do the same process, and we repeat this step with every single object one by one. Be very careful when doing this, because it is absolutely crucial that you do not select all of them at once to center them. They must be centered individually, one by one. Next, we are going to export these objects, and don't worry because we are not going to make the animation in After Effects. You will not need to download any other program at all. We click on the File section at the top, and here we click on Export and then choose Export As. After that, we select the folder where we want them to be saved. We go to the lower part where the Use Artboards checkbox is located, and we activate it. Here we need to check the box that says All so that all the artboards are exported, and then we click on Export. In the window that appears, for the background color we select white, and then we press OK. Now when we open our File Explorer, you can already see how all the images have been saved. After that, in a new Google tab, we type the word EZGIF and press Enter. We go into the first result, and here we click on GIF Maker. Next, we open the File Explorer, minimize it by clicking on this icon in the upper right corner, and to select all the images, we click on the first one, and then while holding the Shift key, we click on the last one. Now we drag them to the area where it says Choose File, and they are automatically added. Here in the Delay section, we set the value 10 for all the images. After that, we push the button at the bottom that says Create GIF, and then at the bottom we click to download it.